Well, 2014 Subaru BRZ. Well, that's how it's supposed to look after it's adjusted properly. Watch if I go to one side all the way around 452. Let's go to, actually I forgot to show you the position of the steering wheel. Yeah, like that. You got to count the turns, but you don't really need to when you got sensor. Going the other way to the max. Well, I think that's close enough for me. It's not gonna get any better. So now if you go back to 0, somewhere here. Now how do I usually find the center of the wheels? I use a very special tool. Nobody got this special tool. Very expensive. You pretty much put it somewhere. Something that's sticking from the car. Go like that. Now this car got a different width. Rear axle is wider, so you don't go like that. You go kind of in line with the rear wheel, and this wheel is not sitting in the correct position. It's like it's out of whack, but you just kind of trying to go by the car. Okay, so here we have the front wheel somewhere where it's supposed to be. Yeah, this wheel sits like that. Other side. The other side looks a lot better. It's a little bit out. That's how it's supposed to be. And look here, you got to watch pretty much distance here. It's kind of, it looks the same. That's somewhere where it's supposed to be. Well, basically you need to do this, setting the rack in a center position before you connect the shaft. So what I had to do, line it up like that, just like I did now. Then the steering wheel was off a lot. Disconnect the steering shaft from under the car over there. Of course, put a seat belt on your steering wheel so it doesn't turn anywhere. And then you can, actually I was able to do it from the top. Pull the shaft out, move it towards the position. From a second time I got it where I want it to be. Now, from this is not, this is a like a basic adjustment, basic zero adjustment before you take the car for the alignment. It still needs to go to the alignment to correct. It's all adjustable on this car. I'm pretty sure this wheel can be corrected, and maybe it's gonna need an adjustment on the front just a little, but right now it's where it's supposed to be. So that's the fix for this. And after the alignment, you might, I don't know if you if you can do it on this car. On some models where they have couple sensors, you need to calibrate the position of the steering wheel, but on this one I don't think so. On this one I think as long as you are somewhere in a zero, just like now, if you take the car to the alignment and they're gonna adjust, I mean, you are in the center, what I meant, you turn left and right, you got the same turns and it's the same numbers on the sensor. So from that point, from this position, the car can line up and it's gonna be perfect without any problems. Alright, thank you.